Well, here it is, folks. And I've been waiting with eager anticipation to see the newly restored Waterman's 54V that I found recently in an antique shop. That's hard to say. In an antique shop. Anyway, but here it is. And, I didn't really do anything particularly to the body of the pen. I could have, sort of buffed it a little bit, but I don't really see why, to be honest with you. I mean, look at that. It looks great. And the other thing is, the big concern is that if you're really aggressive in the polishing, you can create this kind of wavy pattern in the pen, because here's the thing. The black hard rubber and the red hard rubber wear at different rates, which is strange, perhaps, but they do. And if I'm not mistaken, counterintuitively, it's the black that wears more quickly than the red. And I say counterintuitively because the black hard rubber is strengthened by the addition of lamp black, also known as carbon, and it creates it's sort of like a carbon fiber type of scenario. It's like it has a lattice, like a matrix, the way that it's made. It's like a crystalline structure, sort of, molecularly speaking. So anyway, that strengthens the material, and the red doesn't have that. So I'm not exactly sure why they wear that way, but they do. Anyway, so yeah, that's not the impressive part. I just kind of wiped out a little bit here. Actually, had a little help from a dear friend who is just phenomenal at pen restoration and has been for years. So he's showing me all his tips and tricks, which is really quite wonderful. So here's the feed, which is, it's much cleaner than it was. I think it may still be slightly dark, but it's looking pretty good. And here's the nib looking great. That's some ink on there because guess what? I actually filled this. Pen. And yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure you folks saw the imprints and stuff on here, but just for ha-has, just for the heck of it. Let's see if I can, yeah, there you go. Yeah, they look great. Whoosh. There you go. Looking good. So yeah, I didn't want to wear down the imprints either by polishing this. So I just said, you know what, I'll just leave it as it is. Because you can't put it back. You can't, when you polish things, you can't, or for that matter, when you smooth a nib, you can't put that material back. So you have to be careful with it. Yeah, this part here, we just kind of cleaned out. There was a little schmutz in there. But it's such a nice pattern. It matches so well. It's just too cool looking, isn't it? It just screams quality. Anyway, so I'll just play with this for a little bit. Let me show you folks. I did that with it. It's really neat. Beautiful, beautiful I love it. Beautiful. Lovely. What a great writer. It has been sort of skipping a little bit here and there, and I think that's just because it hasn't been used in 70 years or something like that, I cleaned it out. 70 years. Yeah, there you go. Now it's not. There you go. But it's such a nice writer. There you go. And I'm sure that, it's going to be not skipping as much as it has been lately. The more I use it, the less it does. So, but I wanted to show you guys what a nice writer this is. Hey, this thing's from what, 1926 or so? And someone online asked me, like, how flexible is this? You know, on a scale of 1 to 10. So 1 would be like what? A Waterman's accountant knew, right? It barely flexes, but it will. You know, you just have to kind of push it. And it'll flex slightly. And then a 10 would be, you know, it flexes with no effort at all. None. Zero. This would probably be, like, I don't know, a 6 or a 7 in that area. But it's just a terrific writer. And I really can't wait for it to stop skipping. But it's neat. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. And have a lovely day, folks.